right, ladies and gentlemen, let's run through the agenda and objectives for the week of February 16th. If you look over to the side here, our main objective for this week is to be able to multiply polynomials. And when we think about that, the very basic way that we already know how to multiply is using the distributive property. And our goal is to be able not just to multiply a monomial by another polynomial, but to multiply any amount of terms. So using that general form of polynomial times another polynomial of any amount of terms. And so we're going to really expand upon this distributive property. And we're going to go through two methods, one of which is we call the claw method, which is just a name to help you remember visually what's going on, but it is an extension of the distributive property. And then the second method will be what's called the box method, which is more of a visual organization of the multiplication. Both of these methods result in exactly the same answer. So it is purely a preference as to what makes sense to you. You will see that in the notes and videos here that both of the methods are demonstrated for you. I will let you know that you will never be told that you have to use one method over the other method. The directions would simply just say multiply, and then it's your choice to decide what you want to do. But I will tell you that the box method will give you a little bit of an advantage when we go into factoring, which will start next week. And so if you're kind of like, just in between the two of these, then I'd suggest you really focus on doing the box method, because it will help you just a little bit when we go into factoring. You'll notice this week that we don't have a weekly review, and that's because we're on a shortened week because of having Monday off, and so I took that requirement out for this week. You will see that there are 3 videos here, and usually we're about 8 minutes on a video. These are a little bit longer, but they're very, very important. We go through examples of both of these methods, and it kind of is, the 3 videos here are kind of in a degree of difficulty. So when you start with page 27, it's more of a basic problem, and then a middle difficulty, and then some of our more advanced problems. So you definitely want to watch them in that order of 27, 28, and 29. After you go through the videos, remember that you are practicing doing the problems at the same time using your workbook pages, that you want to give the formative assessments a try. Remember that these are a practice, that you can do these multiple attempts, and that they are due Monday at 9 a.m. That would be February 22nd. If you're struggling, have questions, just want to make sure that you're on the right track, then we have our Zoom sessions Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, all of those at noon. So please stop in and make sure you get your questions answered. Once you've done the formative assessments, got your questions answered, then remember that you do have your summative assessment to do, that this is just one attempt because it's like your test, and that is due February 22nd, which is the Monday at 9 a.m. All right. If you have any questions, please Canvas message me. I hope you have a good day.